angle XYZ is equals to 64 degrees. So first we will draw angle XYZ 64 degrees. It will be somewhere like this, X, Y, Z 64 degrees, because it is an acute angle. So we will draw it like this. And XY is produced to point P. XY is produced. So we have to extend this line to point P. This is point P. Say, draw a figure from given information. So we have drawn, if ray YQ bisects ZYP, YQ bisects ZYP. So this is the angle ZYP. We have to draw a ray that is bisecting this angle. So somewhere in the middle of the angle we have to draw YQ. This is my Q. So bisect means this angle is equals to this angle. ZYP. Find XYQ. We have to find this angle XYQ, the whole measurement. This we have to find, and reflex of QYP. We'll see further this. First let's find XYQ. So this angle is of 64 degrees. This is a straight line. Now YQ is acting as a ray. So we know that this angle is 64 and this whole angle will make 180 degrees if we sum these two angles, means XYZ plus this angle ZYP. This is of 180 degrees. Fine. From here XYZ we know that, so we can calculate ZYP 180 degrees minus 64. So this angle will be of measurements 116 ZYP. Now YQ is bisecting this 116. So to get this angle, or we have to find XYQ. So we will find ZYQ. So ZYQ will be half of 116 degrees, that is 58 degrees. Now if we add up this 64 and 58, we have this answer. We have the measurement for XYQ. So this is the answer for the first XYQ. Now we have to find QYP. Reflex QYP. This is not a reflex angle, this is an acute angle. It's clear from the figure. We have to find the reflex, so we have to go this way. QYP. This measurement we have to find. So already we have this measurement, that is XYQ. We have 64 plus 58. So XYQ is what? 64 plus 58. We will just add 180 into it to get the reflex of QYP. So this will be equals to 180 degree plus angle XYQ. So this is the way we will get the answer for these two measurements of the. Let's see the question. Very important question this is. So I'm going to give the solution here thoroughly for this question. The side QR of triangle PQR. This figure is given to us. This is triangle PQR and the side QR is produced to point S. Fine till here. If the bisectors of PQR angle PQR is this angle and bisector of this, and PRS is this angle. It's saying the bisector of these two angles are meeting at T. This is point T. And bisector of this means this is the bisector. This QT is acting as a bisector. Let me draw with another color. This is a bisector, and this RT is also a bisector for angle PRS. So these two lines having red mark are acting as the bisectors of two angles. Then we have to prove that QTR, this QTR, this is equals to half of QPR. Very important, very good question this is. So whenever we have such questions where we have to prove some result, always keep the result in mind while proving the question or result. So keep in mind these two angles. We have to separate these angles. If we find these angles somewhere, we have to keep these angles in mind to get the result. So let's start the proof. PRS. This is my angle PRS. Exterior angle. This angle is what? Exterior angle of this triangle. So angle PRS can be written as a sum of interior opposite in two interior opposite angles. First is what? Angle P, which can be written as QPR, plus second is Q, which can be written as PQR. So in the question we have QPR. QPR is this. We will take this QPR on one side and rest of the angles on the other side. So this QPR further can be written as PRS minus PQR. Mark it number 1. So next is TRS. This is exterior angle. Now this is an exterior angle for triangle. Which triangle? QTR. Fine. So TRS can be written as sum of two interior opposite angles, QTR and TQR. QTR plus this angle, TQR. From here, QTR is in the question. We will keep this on one side and other angles on other side. So we have to write it like this. Let me check whether I have written this correct. QPR can be written as, yes, fine. Mark it number 2. Now I have to erase the statement. Now in the question we have to find QTR is half of, or 2. I can take this 2 here, 2 QTR. This is my QTR. I'll multiply both the sides of number 2 with 2. Multiplying. This is the way how we can approach to the result. This way we have to think like this. Multiplying both sides of number 2 by 2. So from here I have 2 QTR. Yes. 2 times TRS minus 2 times TQR. Fine till here. Now this 2 times TRS, 2 times TRS, this is what? This is acting as a bisector of this complete angle. Now 2 times TRS can be written as PRS because RT is angle bisector of this angle. If I am taking 2 times TRS, that will be equals to angle PRS. So I can write this as PRS minus 2 times TQR. 2 times of this angle is what? PQR. Why? Because QT is angle bisector as given in the question. So these two measurements are equal. So 2 times of this is this complete angle PQR. Now PRS minus PQR. Let's see here. PRS minus PQR. So this angle will be equals to this angle. See how? I have this figure. This is S, this is P, this is Q, this is my R. So what I am saying, angle PRS minus angle PQR. I will have this angle QPR. How? Because this is exterior angle, so PRS can be written as sum of these two angles, QPR plus angle PQR. So when PQR, so if I take this PQR on the left hand side, it will be of minus. So I will get PRS, angle PRS minus PQR. This thing I will get. So this will be equals to what? QPR. So I can write this as QPR. This is same 2 times QTR. So angle QTR is QPR half of. From here I am getting this result. This is the next line you can see. So I am taking this 2 down. 2 QTR is 2 is now in the denominator on the right hand side is equals to QPR. This was the result that we have to prove, and this is proved now, hence proved. This is how this question works, a very important question. So this was all about today's worksheet. Hope you understood all the questions. So this was all about the chapter lines and angles. We'll see the next chapter in the next video. Hit like if you like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.